Approximately a year ago, a 69-year-old Menji council worker lost his life at the Befua Bridge, reportedly while returning from a funeral at night. Beyond the tragic incident, the poor state of the bridge had for years caused serious inconveniences for residents, as the bridge is strategically located and serves as a major road for movement and transportation in Menji town. A year later, the Menji Council responded to the concerns of the population by constructing a new bridge, providing a safer and more convenient link within the town. Speaking to Gaza Media, residents of the area appreciated the council's effort to restore the bridge, while also calling for more assistance to address other pressing needs in the community.
So I'll be one of the part before he became woman. So I really thank mayor and the council for waiting where they don't do for the bridge where they don't construct them. Even though lives they don't go bad, we still thank you for member we. This bridge it link grammar school and Befua Aquata. So it make plenty begin the distress for go round Menji before they go school. But now so they will pass direct through this bridge, go Kali School and Grammar School Menji. So I really thank the mayor so much for that. So we back again for say, no say don't be ever talk say any they ever be satisfied. So we still beg the council for say make it still link me still see way for that bridge for Mva where the link Mva and Menji. So if you still see into it, we will be very grateful. So we really thank you, and we still get many thanks for saying may still continue for make sure say link that bridge for crossway we go hospital easily. Thank the mayor and the council.
I'm in council. Anya you were but abandon. So we will be in fact one kuna Tomo, so go my machine now moto. So we will go to
By name Befua Martin, a child from Befua, born and bred in Befua. I want to appreciate the council, Menji Council, for what they have done for us, because the bridge you are seeing has been abandoned for so many years. Right to an extent, people have died along crossing that bridge. It's stood like an obstacle for our children to go to school. Imagine a child will if you go round before attending Kali School, Grammar School, and so on. But due to the construction of that bridge, I think it has given a pathway for so many things for and open activities into this quarter again. So we are thanking the Menji Council, and we are looking forward again that they should praying that they should struggle and see how our main bridge linking to the town, linking to Menji, which is in Tricona, will be readjusted so that activities will boom as it was in Menji level.
The residents are now hoping that the council will sustain this momentum by implementing more development projects like water supply aimed at improving hygienic and living conditions and overall enhancing the well-being of the community.